Along the Blue Ridge Parkway, here are our fronts. We've got areas of low pressure south of us, and as the system continues to roll east out over the ocean, we're going to see a nor'easter develop. For us, what this could mean is rain and snow chances early tomorrow morning for folks in the mountains before it changes to snow, and then 1 to 4 inches possible on those western facing slopes. The highest elevations will have the best chance, and this is going to create some slippery travel conditions. We're having temperatures that are going to dip from the 30s in the morning, really warmer early, and cooling as we go into the afternoon into these low to mid 20s. Strong winds also a problem for low wind chill values, so it's going to be a chilly weekend for everyone. We've got 55 degrees in King, 53 in Stuart. Those showers building now from Galax out north as we go over Stuart and areas in Independence and heading up through Hillsville. So tonight those scattered showers continue to fill in. They're going to be light for most areas at 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch at best with the rainfall totals through early tomorrow morning. But you notice Winston-Salem, Yadkinville, Mocksville starting to get a hint of some of that moisture going. It'll make it to the ground as we go through the overnight hours too, with some scattered showers. This is what we had today for your Saturday, about 200ths of an inch in Greensboro, lighter totals out and about around the Piedmont Triad too, and then 400ths of an inch in Mount Airy, and not a whole lot in Burlington. But we're hoping to add to those rain gauges too. Temperatures, though, the big news for the Piedmont Triad and the foothills, your temperatures are really diving into the 40s. Throughout the afternoon tomorrow, we expect cooling from west to east. It may take until after sunset to say those temperatures really cool into the 30s rather for the Piedmont Triad. But you've got 40s, only at about 48 degrees for the afternoon. So this is a big change from the 67-degree high we had today. It wasn't record setting. That was yesterday at 76. Talk about intense and warm temperatures. It's felt great. 40 degrees. And then we see those temperatures actually falling into the 30s the later we go through the afternoon. For folks in the foothills, that colder air is going to catch up with you a little sooner, and we're anticipating winds gusting 30 to 40 miles an hour. So this is going to make us feel more like the teens by late afternoon in the mountains, and we also have the impacts of snow that could reduce some visibilities but creating some travel trouble spots. Best chance of snow is in the morning hours, and we're talking the eastern slopes too. Some light snowfall possible, but not the kind of winter weather impacts that folks in the western counties are, from Ashe County to Watauga County that we talked about. Scattered showers though by about 3 a.m. continuing to pick up through the Piedmont Triad, and it does look like we're going to get this brief period before we wake up, and then showers starting to push north and east as that nor'easter begins to develop. And so we're watching more of that snow trying to build on those western slopes as we still have that trough and that big upper low spinning and developing off the coast. Now you've got the snow chances that might briefly mix in with some rain, those big wet flakes. I don't think you're going to see a whole lot on the ground. We'll be watching for any changes there, but right now it looks like it's a mountain system for us and then out toward the coast. So we've got temperatures in the 30s to near freezing as we get you into the late evening hours on Sunday. By early morning, your temperatures in the 20s will feel like the teens and single digits to below zero readings for the mountains. And Monday, a very cold day. High temperatures may only get into the upper 30s and low 40s for the Piedmont Triad. Here's that snowfall. It looks to be light in the mountains, and that developing winter storm takes about 2 feet of snow up over the Maryland area through New England into Boston, Massachusetts regions. So very cold system creating very big travel impacts for a lot of folks as we look ahead over the next 48 hours. So this is going to be a big snowmaker, lasting impacts much of the week for travelers out there. And of course, we're going to keep you posted. 7-day forecast with 50s through middle of the week after we get through 3 days of 40s. Warmer on Thursday, and that's our best chance of rain with a 50% chance.